Namaste, my name is Aditi Singh. I read in class 5. Today I am going to tell about an author whose name is Lewis Hawes. Today I am going to tell how he became an author. When he was studying in school, his classmates said that you are dumb, you are a specialty kid. He got a new teacher whose name was Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green asked him that what you want to become. He said that I want to become an author. Then like Tony Robbins. Then Mrs. Green said that Tony Robbins says that whatever you believe you can achieve. Then Lewis started believing in himself, and then he started to study well, and he became a top ranking student. Then several years ago he started to write a book which book name was Linked Working. In that book he tried to sell that book, but no one buy that book. Then after trying so much, he gave up. But one day he remembered that thought and once again started to write a book which name was The Greatness of School. And then his book get a huge success and he became an author. Thank you.